Today I'm going to unbox this Max axe. Welcome to Freely Roaming. My name is Dan. My family of 5 and I have been traveling full-time around the world in our home on wheels since 2008. We've driven across more than 30 countries on 4 continents while sharing our adventures as Molly Mish. You can find our travel vlog at youtube.com/mollymish. We created this channel to share with you everything we've learned since the beginning about this nomadic overland traveling lifestyle. Subscribe for new uploads every week. So this is what the box comes in. This is from Forrest Tool Company out of Durango, Colorado. But this package came shipped from North Carolina. It's called the Max axe. It is, if you don't know what this is, the Max axe was exclusive to the military for a long time. It was used in the Humvee. Every Humvee had one of these. And I think personally, this is probably one of the best tools you can carry in your recovery kit in an overland rig. So without getting too much into it, let me just open this for you. I'm gonna use my old school Leatherman PST2. I've probably had this for at least 20 years and still an amazing tool. So this is pretty old school. All right, let's see, how do we open this? Well packaged, it's pretty heavy. Opens over there, probably on the other side. They make a couple of different versions of this. A red and yellow one, a red axe head with a yellow handle, I believe. I got the military green one, which I think should be really cool. So let's get this open. Maybe just slides out the side. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. That is cool. Really nice leather handle. There's a pouch inside that has all the extra parts that go with it. So here it is. This is the Max combination tool by Forrest Tool. Look how nice that leather sheath is. Let's take this sheath off and check out the actual cutting blade. It is left intentionally kind of dull, so you can kind of grind it to your own liking. I'm gonna leave it for now until I know where I'm gonna put it, what I'm gonna do with it. But it's a fiberglass handle, glassed in there from the top. Made in the USA. This little hole right here is where you can attach a bunch of different other attachments to have it do different things. And this leather case, this leather sheath is important too, because when you have the other pieces attached, you're going to want to keep that on, especially after you sharpen it. These other pieces come in this nice Cordura pouch. Here's the first one. It's a huge shovel. That's really big shovel. Okay, that's the shovel. This is the piece that holds the shovel blade in place. Another, like a mattock attachment. This is kind of like a pick. Ah, here we go. Here's some instructions. Okay, so this is the pick attachment. That's the shovel attachment. This is the mattock. And this is the broad pick. So 2 picks, different sizes. This is the rake slash hoe. You have the rake on this side and hoe on the other side. And then it comes with a whole bunch of these clips to help hold it in place when you got the attachments on. So let's just show you guys how the shovel works for now. I'll do a more full-on in-depth review. This is more or less just an unboxing. Okay, so see how that goes on like that. And then you just simply slide one of these pins in there and that holds it in place. It's pretty cool. All right, so let's take this off and I'll show you guys how this is put back together and how it is carried. So the rake hoe goes back in here. Mattock and the 2 picks go in there. And then the shovel goes into this front pouch. Put the rest of these picks in there. And then, oh, and don't forget this. This is the part you need, I believe, to hold the rake and hoe attachment together. So basically this goes on like this. And then this guy slides in there and then you tension it with this set screw. Another safety and assembly instructions. Two of them basically. There's a black and white one and there's a nicer color one. Okay, that can go back in. And then to carry this, you can slide the axe right in here, I believe. And then Velcro this whole thing together. And then you just carry it from the handle of the pouch. Look at that. Nice, neat little package, and it's like 8 tools in one. Very excited to try this out. So this is just a little unboxing for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay safe. I hope you guys are all well. I'll see you guys in the next one.